Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to change theme colors on your presentation on PowerPoint. So first you need to open your PowerPoint presentation and follow these steps. Let's have a file or a blank presentation and let's insert some theme. So we are going to the theme design or the design menu and choose for a theme, and here in the variants we will find these things. So you can choose from the variants and choose the colors that you want, for example this one or whatever the color that you want, or you can just simply go to the colors and go here and you will start selecting from the colors and the presetted colors of the Microsoft PowerPoint. Like we have many colors presetted, and you can do this operation for each color that you want, and also we can do our own customized color. So as you can see, now we have the first color. You can just give it, for example, black. We go for gray. So we do however we want the colors. Let's be it green, red, whatever, and just like this, and go, for example, for that, and click save. And as you can see, my colors has been changed. There is also other colors that you can change from the format background. So here in customizing, you can just add some gradient color or texture fill or pictures, and the gradient can be you can choose from the presets, or you can do your own custom gradients. Also you can choose the type of the gradient, either it is radial, linear, or circular, or whatever. Then you will just to do is apply the colors. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.